This area within Spain has some amazing golf courses. Let's walk through the top 3 courses that we were able to find, but we want to turn this into a Reddit type feel. So let's start off here with number 3. This 18-hole golf course is a par 71. It's a beautiful facility with water hazards and wide fairways. More of a family-friendly facility. It's beginning friendly, but still has some challenging holes for the better players. It's only a 10-minute ride from the main city listed in this video. Boy, there is some great golf in the Spain area. Do you have any confirmation of playing these courses? Be sure to write in the comment section any course you think we might have missed. Let's take a look now as we head on into our next facility here, which was a 4.6 out of 5 on Google. An 18-hole golf course is a par 72 with lakes and fast greens, designed by Paul Putman. This challenging but playable course for mid-level players still offers many opportunities, and only a 20 to 15 minute drive from the main city, with also some beautiful opportunities for structural views and, more importantly, incredible golf experiences there on the coast of Spain. As we pause, we want you to list down below, have you played any courses in Spain? I played a course in Madrid in more the northern east part of Spain, but I would love to get down here and play some of these courses. And in the near future, we will be here with the Professor, so make sure you subscribe down below. Let's close this list out here with our number 1 golf course. This 18-hole par 72 championship course is a natural valley with lakes and streams and rolling terrain. It's known for strategical bunkers, undulating fairways with beautiful Mediterranean scenery. This course is suitable for all skill levels and is ranked among one of the top golf courses to play in Spain. It's definitely well known and, more importantly, a popular destination for golfers traveling from the UK or America and all over the world looking to play some legit Spain golf. That's it for this list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we bring to you here with the Professor those top golf courses in each part of the world. Whether you're searching for a golf course and you found us, might be a little disappointed as a pair to playing these courses, but nonetheless, you're still getting closer to playing these courses. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.